Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 170, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. So let's get started. So if you want to pair your watch with your phone, first you will need to turn it on. And to turn on the watch, press and hold the light button until you see the Garmin logo on the screen, which takes a few seconds. Once you see the logo, you can release the button, and now let's wait until the watch is done booting up. In the meantime, we can download and install the Garmin Connect application on the phone we want to pair our watch with. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Then open the Play Store on the phone you want to pair your watch with. Tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Garmin Connect. And tap on search, of course, and on the list of applications you will see this app, Garmin Connect by Garmin, with this icon. Install it. Now go to your watch, and as you can see we have the list of languages on the screen. Find the language you would like to use, tap on it to select it. I forgot to mention, but you can pair this watch with a phone in two ways. And the first way is to do it through the setup process. So if your watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, and the other way is to do it through the settings after the watch has been already set up, because you can set it up without pairing it with a phone. And here we have the watch that's been reset to the factory default settings. So basically, I had to select the language. Let me actually go back. I had this list of languages, and I had to select the language I wanted to use on my watch. And then after I select the language, it asks me if I want to pair a watch with a phone. We want to do that, so press the start button to confirm, and the watch will enter the pairing mode. That's how it looks like. You have a QR code on the screen, and you can use this code to download the application. If you can't find it, it's quite easy to find, but if you prefer to just scan the QR code for the link, you can always do that. And after you install the app, you can also use the code, I believe, to pair the devices together. So let's open the app. Once you download it, tap on sign in, tap on the check mark, tap on next, go and enter the credentials for your account. If you don't have an account, you can always create a new one, of course, and use it to log in. But I already have one, so I'm just gonna enter the password and login and tap on sign in. And after you sign in, you'll be asked to enter the code, because there is a two-step verification now. It wasn't the case before, but they changed it for some reason. I guess more security doesn't hurt. Okay, then tap on next. Allow or deny the permission for notifications. If you see this pop-up, tap on allow access and allow the required permissions. And if you don't have the account or any devices connected to your account, the watch will, the phone rather, will automatically start searching for the nearby devices when you log in, basically. And if it detects your watch, you can tap on connected and continue with this setup. But if for some reason the app doesn't search for the watch automatically, you can always go to more, Garmin devices, and tap on add device, and it will start searching and it should detect your watch. Now we can tap on connected, of course. Here tap on linked device, allow the required permissions, and then wait until the setup is complete. Oh, if you see this pop-up, tap on pair, and now wait until the setup is complete. In the meantime, never mind, I was about to say something, but that doesn't matter. Let's wait until it's done. Okay, we can tap on next, next, and right here we have option to transfer the settings from previous devices. As you can see, I had quite a few devices connected to my account, and I can basically copy the settings from those devices to my new watch if I want to. I don't care, I'm gonna use default settings, but if you have any devices you had the settings imported basically, and you want to copy them, you can just select the settings and then tap on transfer settings to transfer them to your new watch. I'm just gonna, as you can see, I have quite a few of them. I just want to tap on use default settings. Here we can set up the sleep schedule. This is useful if you want to use the do not disturb mode during sleep. And basically you can set up the schedule when you go to bed and when you wake up, and the watch will automatically turn on the do not disturb mode and turn it off during those hours. You can tap on edit and change it to your liking if you want to. Then we can tap on next. Here we can allow the location permission. You don't need to, it's not required, but the app will bother you about it. So I'm just gonna tap on allow, permissions, location, and tap on allow all the time. You can also try allowing on while using the app, but I'm pretty sure the app will bother you about this. It's annoying, but it is how it is. Okay. Then tap on sync now and tap on finish. On the watch, we can also set up a passcode. I'm gonna skip it, but if you want to use it, you can press the upper button right here to confirm. And then we can select the preferred text size and press the upper button. And you can also select your favorite activities. I'm just gonna skip it, but if you want to use it, press the start button. It will show you the list of activities. You can check the ones you like the most and then tap on done to basically keep them as favorites. Okay. And the setup is complete. You can go through the tutorial or skip it. Finish. I don't want to learn the basics of my watch, so I'm gonna skip it. And now in the app, you should see your Forerunner right here. And if you tap on more, Garmin devices, it should be right here on the list as well. So that's how you pair the watch through the setup process. You can also pair it through the settings. So let me quickly unpair this watch, and I'm going to show you how to enter the pairing mode through the settings if your watch is already set up, but you want to pair it with a device. So I'm going to remove it from here and here. Okay. And let's say you have a watch already set up and you want to pair it with your phone. You can just download the app, install it, log in, and after you log in, you will need to first enter the pairing mode on your watch. So to do that, press and hold the app button, then find the watch settings, and here look for the connectivity. Then tap on it and tap on phone, and here tap on pair phone. The watch will enter the pairing mode. If the app doesn't search for the nearby devices, you can always tap on more, Garmin devices, add device. Now it will start searching. It should detect your watch if it's in the pairing mode, and then it go through the same process as we did before. So connect it, pair and connect, pair, and then the permissions and stuff like that. And once you're done, this time it will go quicker for me because I don't need to deal with the permissions anymore. But if you do it for the first time, basically when you install the app for the first time, you will need to deal with the permissions. Okay, sync now, finish. And like I said, for me it went quicker now because I didn't have to deal with the permissions. But usually you need to deal with those. Okay, and here we have it. The watch is paired. And basically that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.